Welcome to all. Today we are going to learn class 6 1.6 lesson, that is fable or story. The name of the story is The Peacock and the Crane. Students, I know that everyone from their childhood till old age we love stories. So, without wasting time, we will go through the story from page number 18 of your book. So, see the story. We all know that every story gives us moral at the last of it. So, here also we are getting one moral. So, let's start reading story. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So, when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. "Look at my feathers," he boasted. "How they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I am dressed like a king." Till here, we are going to see some new words are there. These are conceited means very proud, scoff at means laugh at, gorgeous means beautiful, boasted means talk with pride, and pale means dull. Here, by reading, we come to know that peacock have boasted on its feather, and one day he is going to talk with crane very proudly about his
That's true.
feathers. The crane
Then what
answered,
happened next?
"But
We
I
see.
can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Fine feathers don't make fine birds." So here crane very politely give answer to peacock that though he has not colorful wings or feathers, he can fly high among the clouds and observe all the beauty of the earth, so that he can see everything from sky and enjoyed his flying in the sky. He gives answer like peacock is living on earth. So he lastly says that fine feathers don't make fine birds. It's a phrase. So meaning of the phrase is to indicate that looks or flashy clothes may not be very important after all. Means we can say that it's a proverb used by crane to explain its importance. Thus, we can say that The Peacock and the Crane is a wonderful fable, and it gives us moral that we cannot judge people's or whoever has outward appearance is good, maybe it should not be inwardly good by its character. So, in short, while judging or while selecting friends, we have not to see appearance, outer appearance. We see qualities, and then we can make friendship. So, it's a moral given by Crane to all of us, those who are readers. Now, we will see exercise. We can solve it easily by stopping. Here are the new words. I hope you can understand. You can write it in your notebook and by heart all new words. Question number 1 from page number 19. Read the following sentences carefully and choose the correct meaning. A. The peacock had a gorgeous tail like other bird. Answer is given. Option number 2 is the proper answer. Then B. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. Option 3 are given and answer is also given. Third option is the correct answer. Question number 2. You are going to read the story aloud in groups of 3, the narrator, the peacock and the crane. This is question number. Question number 3. Imagine you are the crane. What actions and words of the peacock would you not like? Write about it in short. So answer is given. If I were the crane, I would not like the conceit of the peacock. I would not like the way he scoffed at my feathers, calling them pale and colorless, while spreading and showing off his own tail. I also would not like the way he boasted about his own feathers, saying that they shine in the colors of the rainbow and that he was dressed like a king. So, this is the question number 3's answer. Next, question number 4. Discuss what a friendly and good natured peacock would say to a crane. Write a speech. You are going to write this question by, you can write in short, speech by cock. What he. Question number 5. Find one more example which shows that a beautiful appearance is not enough. And answer is given over here. You can stop video and write its answer properly. So here example of antlers and stag is given. Question number 6. List 5 adjectives and 5 nouns from the story. Here answer is given. Adjectives: conceited, gorgeous, colorless, dull, colorful. And nouns: peacock, crane, tail, bird, features. Question number 7. Find 5 adjectives that end with full, less and why. So here is the list of 5 adjectives. You can write it, copy down in your notebook. Question number 8. Start a collection of proverbs. For example, a stitch in time saves 9. Clothes do not make the man. Like this, you are going to start making a collection of proverbs in your notebook from today. I hope you understand this 1.6 lesson, means story, the peacock and the crane, nicely. I hope you understand this full story with explanation. Exercise is given. So watch this, read it at home and practice at home. Thank you very much. Stay safe.